Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students, grade 4. Today's lesson will be Unit 9, Lesson 3. Today we are going to have a new grammar. The difference between there is and there are. Let's take there is first. We use there is with singular nouns, with nouns that can't be counted. Okay? For example, when I say there is some milk, for example. Okay? We use here some with the word milk because milk is uncountable. We can't put S to milk. Now I want you to make a question. How to make this sentence a question? How to make it a question? Yeah, when the sentence starts with there is, the question will be is there? Is there? So the question will be is there? And now look at some. If you have some in the sentence, it changes some into any because any comes in negative and question, but some comes in affirmative. Okay, we change here some into any because we change the sentence from affirmative into negative, so some changes into any milk. Okay, and with the question mark. Now I want you to answer this question. Who can answer it? Is there any milk? Who can answer? Yeah, we can answer with yes. Yes, there is. Or no. Who can? No, there isn't. Okay? So, when you want to make a question, a change or replace there with is and is with there. If you want to answer the question, answer with yes or no and change the sentence. Now, how to make negative? How can you make the sentence negative? Make negative. Who can tell me how can you make negative? For example, when I say there's some, for example, butter. Okay? If you want to make this sentence negative, look at this. Look at is. It changes is into isn't. It changes is into isn't. We add not to is. So the sentence will be there isn't. And look at some, it changes some here into any, as I told you. If you have some in affirmative, it changes it into negative or question into any. Any butter. Understand now? This is the negative here. Now, look at there are. There are. There are here, we use it with plural nouns. We use it with plural nouns, with nouns that we can count it. For example, there are some mushrooms. Okay? Here, we use are here with mushrooms. We put S to the noun because mushrooms here is countable. Now, I want you to make a question here. Like the sentence that we took before, there is there. Here, there are, so the question will be, are there. Good, are there. And look at some, we change some into any. Yeah, good. Are there any mushrooms? Understand now? This is the question. Now, answer the question now. Yeah, when the sentence starts with is or are, the answer will be yes or no. So the answer will be yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Okay? Now, how can you make this sentence negative? How can you make it negative? Make negative. For example, when I say there are some cookies, for example. Okay? If you want to make negative, change are into aren't. If you have is, change is into isn't. So the sense will be there aren't. What about some? Yeah, all the time change some into any. Okay? Any cookies. Understand now? Okay, thank you.